Guys, I never cold call. I never cold call. Cold calling will not work if you're cold calling yourself because it's so affordable to outsource the cold calling, to multiply the cold calling in order to get more results and make more money. Guys, why would I sit there and cold call, get the phone slammed on my face, get yelled at, all this, all that, all day long, spend hours and hours doing that? I could spend my time doing something way more valuable to find wholesale deals. So how am I doing wholesaling where I'm getting tons of deals from cold calling marketing? Guys, 80% of the deals I get, they come from cold calling marketing. So if I'm saying I never cold call, how am I doing it? Well, I'll tell you why. You don't want to be cold calling yourself. To never cold call again yourself, if you never want to have to pick up the phone and cold call again and go through all that, all you need is about $1,000 a month. Now, what $1,000 a month is going to do for you is you're going to be able to hire one cold caller from LaunchVA.com. Okay, these are the same cold callers I use. This is the secret to how I never cold call myself. Okay, so what we do is we hire one cold caller from LaunchVA. That gets us about 40 leads a month. To get one deal, it takes about 80 cold call leads. So if you spend $1,000 a month, this cold caller is going to call for 40 hours a week for you. 40 hours a week. Guys, that's 160 hours a month. For $1,000, you're having a cold caller do 160 hours of cold calling for you. Why would I cold call myself where I have to spend 160 hours banging the phone myself, waiting for somebody to pick up the phone, getting this phone slammed in my face, getting yelled at for 160 hours a month? This is why I never cold call myself. What I do is I hire one cold caller from LaunchVA. They work 40 hours a week, 160 hours a month. They're going to get me about 10 leads a week, and that's going to be about 40 leads a month. I know to get every wholesale deal, I need 80 leads. One wholesale deal comes from 80 cold call leads. Just about. Me, I close about one deal out of every 60 leads, but when you're newer, you haven't mastered your sales process, you're not as dialed in as me when I'm on the phone, closing these people down, you're probably going to be around 1 to 80 leads. So, one cold caller will get you a deal every 2 months. Our average wholesale deal profit is $20,000 per deal. So from spending $1,000 a month, you're going to make $20,000 every 2 months. Now if we double this up and we spend $2,000 a month, just $2,000 a month, we'll get 2 cold callers from LaunchVA.com. That's going to get us 80 leads a month, and that equals 1 deal. So now we're going to be making $20,000 per month. That is a 10x return. That's a 10x return. We spent $2,000. We get a 10x return. That turns into $20,000. You see why I never cold call myself? LaunchVA, the callers are fully trained. They're fully managed. It's a hands-off marketing solution. All you have to do is give them the list to call. They're going to handle all the cold calling for you. So that way you never have to pick up the phone and make a cold call again. Once I figured out this system where I could invest in myself $1,000, get a 10x return, right? $2,000, 10x return, turn that into $20,000, it was a no-brainer. This is how successful people in wholesaling real estate multiply their money. Once I close one deal for $20,000, I just take that, reinvest it in the cold calling, and then I 10x it again, multiplying my money. This is how the rich get rich, by multiplying their money and investing in marketing. So I never cold call anymore. Why would I do it? This is the way. Now guys, you might be just starting out and you might not have $1,000, and that's okay. If you're gonna cold call yourself, you at least need to be doing it right. You can't be cold calling, hand dialing with your phone, one by one, waiting for it to ring, waiting for somebody to pick up, nobody answers, waiting for it to ring, nobody answers, typing in another number, waiting for it to ring, nobody answers. It takes you about 10 minutes to get anybody on the phone. You need to be using a multi-line dialer, a 12-line multi-line dialer. The dialer I use is called Ready Mode. What it does is it calls 12 people at once and it feeds you the people that answer. So that way every 30 seconds you're talking to somebody new. This way you can at least reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners. All right? Now, that dialer only costs about $200 a month. So if you have under $200 a month and you can't afford $1,000, then just get a dialer so that way you're cold calling successfully yourself. Now, guys, I want to pause this video real quick and say, I'm holding a free 1-hour live training where I'm going to teach you everything I know about wholesaling real estate step by step. And I'm going to show you how to make $20,000 in the next 30 days using my proven 7-step process on wholesaling. So click the link down below, sign up for my next 1-hour live training. It's going to be a 1-hour free mentorship call with me where I'm going to teach you everything I know. I hold one of these every week, but spots do fill up fast, so click the link down below and sign up. And if you've already closed deals before, don't worry. In this training, I'll also show you how to scale up to make over $100,000 a month. Now, for sticking around to this part of the video, I want to give you guys a gift for free. So, I have the best purchase contract, and I have the best assignment contract, and I have the best cold calling script out there for wholesaling real estate, and I want you to have it, okay? Because if you're using the wrong contracts and you're using the wrong script, you're gonna fail in this business. So I wanna give you mine for free. All you have to do is go to jacobblank.com/free, and you're gonna be able to download my wholesaling resources for 100% free. There's gonna be a link down below in the description for that as well. But let's recap. I never cold call myself. What I do is I take my money, I invest it in cold callers. They do 160 hours of cold calling for me a week. That gets me 40 leads. If I get 2 cold callers, then I get 80 leads a week. It takes about 80 leads to get 1 deal. Each deal we're making $20,000. That's a 10x return on my money. Every time I invest $2,000, if I give you $2,000, basically, then a month later, I'm gonna get $20,000 back. You see, I invest the money, I get the return right back. That's why it's a no-brainer to never cold call and to outsource your cold calling. This is how, we're here at my Scottsdale, Arizona wholesaling real estate office. This is how I've grown my business to make over $100,000 a month and make millions of dollars a year. I've became a multi-millionaire at just 23 years old by wholesaling real estate. I got started wholesaling when I was 16 years old. In just 2 years, I made my first $1 million in wholesaling real estate by the time I was 18. I've done everything of my wildest dreams, bought my dream car. I'm building my dream house right now here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm able to travel the world, take care of my family. Wholesaling real estate has completely unlocked financial freedom for me, and that all came from doing this strategy. So if you're ready to scale up, you're ready to learn, you're ready to make a bunch of money, click the link down below, sign up for my next 1-hour live training. But I hope this video is helpful for you to understand why I never cold call, how to master and multiply your time. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me reach more people and grow. Hit the red button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.